Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
My sister snores. My sister snores. Sometimes Emily sounds as if she's blowing her nose. Other times, she sounds like a train whistle. Snort, sniff, snuffle. Choo, choo. Last night was the loudest night ever. I tried sleeping with my earmuffs on, but they weren't very comfortable. I thought about my problem all day. At dinner, I asked my mom, "May I move into the guest room? Emily snores so much that I can't sleep." "I do not snore," Emily said, "but I would love having my own room. Jessica is messy." Mom said, "We'll give it a try. Jessica can sleep in the guest room tonight." We raced up the stairs to our room. I said to Emily, "I am not messy." Emily raised her eyebrows and looked around the room. She patted my lumpy bed. She picked up my pajamas from the floor and peered at the toys stuffed under my bed. "Face it, Jess, you're messy." "Well, I would rather be messy than snore." I stomped out of our room. At 8 o'clock, Mom tucked me into bed. Later, I heard a loud rumbling noise. "Mom, what's that scary sound?" I called. "Only the furnace," she answered. It's funny that I never heard the furnace when I was sleeping with Emily. My new room was as dark as a dungeon, even with the nightlight. I stared at the closet door. I wondered what scary things were hiding in there. "Mom, how long have I been sleeping in my new room?" I called. "1 hour," she answered. I still had 9 more hours until morning. 9 hours seemed like forever. I thought about Emily. There were a lot of good things about sharing a room with my sister. She would say, "It's not real," when I had a bad dream, and we always whispered secrets late at night. I looked up and saw Emily standing in the doorway. She said, "I came to borrow your earmuffs. You're yelling so much that I can't sleep." I whispered, "I'm a tiny bit scared. Just for tonight. Will you sleep with me in my new room?" "Okay," she said. I raised the covers and Emily climbed in. She handed me my earmuffs from the bedside table. "Just in case," she said. I laughed. I love Emily, even when she snores.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.